What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Nour and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the plays that I like, all the plays that I don't like, all the setups coming into the week, all the economic events coming up, and also since it's earnings seasons, we'll talk about it's earnings seasons. It's earnings season where we'll be talking about all the earnings coming up for the current week. So let's go ahead and start this video. So we obviously want to look at the economic events, see if Jerome Powell is speaking, any information or any important events coming out, so that, you know, we're aware and we're not trading during, you know, volatile or possible, you know, crazy reaction times. So from here, I don't see Jerome Powell speaking, but we do have a few people speaking. Raphael speaking on Tuesday, Patrick speaking at 10:45 a.m. And then Wednesday is usually where you get, you know, some action, but there really isn't. Thomas is speaking on Wednesday. Thursday we have John speaking, and then we have jobless claims, all that good stuff. Nothing crazy this week. I mean, Friday we have Charles speaking at 9:05, but that's before market open. So nothing really insane here and nothing really aggressive. So it's pretty cool. Finally have like a chill week when it comes to economic events and, you know, Fed members speaking and events and stuff like that. So Monday we do have Lucid. I know a lot of you guys follow this. We have Dave & Buster's. Tuesday, we do have some important stocks. Well, for one, it's Micron Technology, MU. That's a very important chip stock. You know, same with Lam Research and NVIDIA. When those report, you want to pay attention to what's going on. You know, anything that's delayed and all that good stuff. So that's something to keep an eye on. Micron, Chewy, I know a lot of you guys follow. Five Below on Wednesday, Wednesday's kind of dead for me, like as far as like stocks that I actually care about. Thursday we have BlackBerry, a former GameStop type of stock. We had the squeeze on that a little while ago, but other than that, that's also a little dead. So let's go ahead and start this video here. First stock I'm going to talk about is Tesla. You guys know that's my favorite stock. We have a little consolidation going on. Let me just clear this for you guys. So as you can see, we have a consolidation, nice little uptrend from 755. I actually caught the dip on this. You guys could check out my Twitter for that one. But look at this consolidation. You can actually, you know, draw a little square over this, whatever the case may be. I'm looking at 1020. As you can see, we're struggling to get above 1020 and holding. The highest we got here, we looked at like 1023.91, and we've pulled back. But this is a nice little consolidation for Tesla. I'm looking at above 1020. Any momentum above that will get us back to 1040, and from 1040 I'm looking at 1050, and above 1050 I am looking at the high 1060s and 1080. So that's something to pay attention to. That's a big one. Now, just because I have the upper consolidation, or I'm looking at levels from the top or the bottom, doesn't mean I'm bearish or bullish. These are just specific things that I'm looking at on stocks. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So keep that in mind. BA, there's a wedge here. Look at this wedge, guys. Everybody's talking about this on Twitter. My interns brought this up to me, and then I asked on Twitter, what should I be looking at this week? And people said BA, so it matched up with what my interns were looking at. BA has a little wedge. This could be cool to play with. I'm not really a fan of playing BA, but those contracts are cheap. If you can catch the right momentum play on this, this does pay. So above 191. Let's see how it looks on the 4-hour. 4-hour, we also have a downtrend, so this is cooler too. You guys can see we got rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, so that's perfect. So downtrend and symmetrical wedge lining up here. I do like that. Maybe I will play this week. You guys will see if I post or not. If I don't, then I probably did not play it. BA is something to look at. Snow, a lot of people are looking at this as well. If you put this on the 1 year, I called this big move on Snow. If you guys go to my Instagram, I called this stock at $205. From $205, this thing ran, oh, right here, $205, this thing ran all the way to like 405. Yeah, 405. But look, we have a gap here. Forget about all that good stuff. We have a gap here at 233. This has room up to 250. So if this can get above 233, not saying it could just easily bear flag. As you can see, it's rejecting. But if it gets above 233, we do have room up to 250. Keep that on your radar, because those contracts do move if it does have a clean move. So Snow's something that I'm watching. Amazon. Amazon's a little nice one here. I'll put this on the 15-minute. We do have a little wedge here, but that's not really what I'm watching. I'll put this more on the 1 hour. You guys could play the wedge. I'm really watching 33.25, but 33.25. If we break 33.25, I'm looking at 33.27. If we get right through that, I'm looking at 33.50, and from there this could easily squeeze. This has been on a great runner ever since they've announced that they were going to split, but that wedge is cool. I'm just not a fan of playing something like this because the candles have low volume. You guys understand that, but if you catch a right move on that wedge before we even get to 33.25, you're looking at a crazy percentage return. But me, I'm looking at 33.25. You guys obviously still have the wedge. Now, when it comes down to the overall market, we're kind of in range, which is kind of annoying. So, like, let me put this on the last, like, not range, but you'll see what I'm talking about. We're kind of just like grinding. We got out of this stupid range that we were stuck in, top, bottom. Look, I'll even put this on the 4 hour. You guys can see we were like stuck in this area for so long. We're kind of breaking out, but we got rejected at 14,835. That was my resistance before this even happened. So it's nice that it lined up. Now, if I put this on the 1 hour, we're gonna be needing to get through that 14,835 level, 14,840 now. Once we get past that, we're looking at 14,900. But you just want to keep that in mind when you're playing, you know, your trades, because obviously you want to know if the market's on positive sentiment or negative sentiment, and if it's in range, it's going to affect your trades, and it's also going to affect, you know, your breakout. So a lot of you are like, yo, I got into the breakout, didn't break. Well, did you look at the overall market before you even started your day? Now, SPY, on the other hand, or ES, whatever you guys like looking at, it's going to be the same chart, is looking nice. It's pretty healthy here at 453. The low is 413 just recently. The high is 480. My next resistance on this isn't even until 460. So 460 is my real resistance, so we'll see how it reacts when we get up there. But just keep that in mind for SPY and NQ. You don't want to be playing things in range, and especially if it's at a certain or particular important level, you want to be careful. Like, yes, I have a Tesla consolidation, but as soon as I break out on Tesla, we could have just got rejected on NQ, and then you get a hard rejection, and now you're stuck in a trade, or you have to hit your stop loss. So keep that in mind. That's my Sunday stock watch list. I have a very simple one this week. I like to keep it very simple so that I'm not all over the place looking at this, that, and then if you have like 10 solid plays that you're going to miss all of them. So keep it simple. This is my Sunday stock watch list. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys. Peace.